It's go time. We're here at Darlington Dragway. Little private test session. Getting the car off the trailer. Well, that sounded terrible. Popping, banging. I think she might have hit a limiter. That was just awful. She's not back yet, but it did do a 135 60 foot, but I think it might have just been like really lean or something. Something doesn't seem right. So I'm hoping that everything's okay. She's still driving it. I see her coming right now, so we'll see what happened there. What happened?
I think maybe I was spinning, either something with the transmission shifting, or I don't think so. I think it was more I was spinning.
Spinning?
Yeah, I don't know. I've never felt the car do that before, so I don't know. And the AFRs were not spiking from what I could see, but I could look and had to like...
Yeah, wait, did you lift off at the top, or did it know it was over?
No, it kept like, almost like sputtering, like, I didn't know if it was trying to shift weird or if it was spinning.
Okay.
And I wound up letting out before the track.
Yeah, well, you did a 135 60.
Yeah,
All right.
I mean, the launch felt good, and then it just was being weird.
All right, just save it so I can look at it.
Yeah,
Last time we had the car out, 2000 DA. Shifted right about 7,000, 7,100. This time we're at 21 DA, 21 feet. So it's making a little more power, it's getting there quicker, and the computer needs to be led a little bit more to shift because she was banging the limiter. First, second, third gear, let off in fourth. So that's where all that popping and banging was, that she was smacking the limiter and it was cutting everything. Makes sense. So lowered shift RPMs, changed nothing else, just lowered the shift RPMs, try to lead the computer a little quicker, and we'll see what that brings us. Smack the limiter again?
Yeah.
All right, I'll have to lower the shift points down some more.
Yeah, I did. It was the same exact thing, so I wasn't gonna keep trying to.
Gotcha. New tune in, time for a change. The whole parachute thing was never a thought in your mind, huh?
It was after as I'm passing, I'm like, oh shoot, 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 and then I'm like, slow it down. So sorry, language. So next round, but I want to cool it down and go again because that felt freaking good.
Yeah, but look at your 60 foot, your 8th mile, your mile per hour.
Really?
Yeah. 60 foot was lower, mile per hour was lower, and the 8th mile per hour was lower.
144?
Yeah.
Wow.
Did
That's
you lift?
surprising.
You might have lifted early. Did you lift early?
I don't think so.
All right, well, let me see the computer. We'll see why it's doing that. One more minor tune adjustment. Let's see one more pass. We'll be back after this. pulled your parachute.
I know, I'm so excited. And you hit another record.
Nope.
Go ahead.
PB, personal best.
Okay.
Mile an hour
a
still
PB.
down.
Yep, mile an hour is still way down.
Check out your time though, Mama.
That was exciting.
Getting there.
Let's cool down. One more run. One more run.
Yep. One more change. One more attempt. Got a little spicier on the launch, I believe, and took a little bit of fuel out because it was getting a little fat up top. That's why her mile an hour start, dropping. So moved a couple things around. So it's either going to go real fast, or not real fast, but it's going to go faster than she's been before, or I don't know what's going to happen. We'll find out. Ooh, it's now a 920 car. It was really funny is that when Mark sent us that tune, he said, here's a tune that's going to go 9.2s. Yeah, I guess so. Well done, sir. Still some more in it, I think, but we're gonna be happy with that. And she pulled the chute again. Look at that. Genuine chute puller.
I mean, it felt good.
Yeah. I mean, there's always next time. We'll come out next week and see what happens. So
Did I pull the chute in a better spot?
we can see.
I think so. It's a little dark.
That time. Woo. A 133.60, a 593 at 117.
What is that? A low 9-second
A
time?
927 at 147, and I pulled the chute. Woo! 117. Lots of PBs today. So, a PB 60, a PB 8th mile with mile per hour, and a PB ET.
Yeah.
Not an ET mile per hour.
Nope. Track is sticky.
It felt good.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice.
Matt. Well, guys, as you can tell by the state of my face, it's not the same day because my phone is a potato and deleted half of the videos that I took that day. So the car's home. It's back in the garage. 927. Really good number. Had 5 degrees of knock right at the hit on that thing, and it tapered that knock right out all the way through 3rd gear. No knock anywhere else, so something I have to figure out. I've already looked through the car under the hood. I found 2 things that were possibly causing like phantom knock, because it didn't knock anymore. It didn't knock all day long and didn't knock any more after that pass. So I'm pretty sure it was a zip tie broke and there's a oil or a transmission line sitting right next to the knock sensor. I think it went bang and smacked the knock sensor, which is what caused the knock. So we're going out again this coming Monday, weather permitting. I believe we're going out to Rockingham for another private test. Try to get the car dialed in a little bit more because we're obviously not there yet. Made 3 passes, got faster in all 3 passes, but that's not going to do it for Cadillac Attack since Sharon's in Blower King and I think the 15-inch class. I don't know what class she signed up for, but all those cars run 8s. And this car is not going to run an 8. That's not happening. There's only been, like 6 or 7 stock LSA ported blower cars that have run 8s, and I don't know that this one has it in it because we're still not on a 10-inch lower pulley. We're still not feeding it everything we got to. It's still heavy. It's still like 4,500 pounds. We're actually going to scale it on Monday too. So we're going to keep trying and get as close as we can so that we're ready for Cadillac Attack, which should be our next event. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.